Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best RV solar panels and kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best RV solar panels and kits. Starting at number 5, we have the Jackery SolarSaga 100W portable solar panel for Explorer. This Explorer solar station comes in 160, 240, 500, and 1000 watt power stations. The solar panels do not require installation, as they temporarily stand on the included legs. An LED indicator light, USB-A, USB-C, and DC ports are on the back of the solar panel. The ports come with overpower protection, surge protection, and short-circuit protection. What's nice about these solar panels is that they don't require installation. You can take them anywhere on your RV adventures and have power production. They also come pre-wired for easy plug and charge functionality with all of your devices. One thing to note about these solar panels is that they aren't designed to support a car battery. This means you cannot use them to charge or maintain your RV's battery. This can limit the functionality of these solar panels. Moving on at number 4, we have the Weize 12-volt solar panel starter kit. The Weize 100-watt 12-volt solar panel starter kit gets a shout-out for being a great little starter kit for your RV off-the-grid conversion at a refreshingly reasonable price. You get a durable, corrosion-resistant 100-watt solar panel that's made with high-performance monocrystalline solar cells that boast up to 21% greater efficiency than polycrystalline panels. You also get a 10-amp charge controller, necessary extension cables, and mounting hardware and screws. You will need to purchase a 12-volt inverter and battery separately, which will add to the overall cost of the system. Depending on how many solar panels you'll need to power your RV, you may also need to purchase another charge controller. If that's the case, and you need to buy the charge controller, battery, and inverter separately, you might want to look elsewhere for a more complete system. At number 3, we have the Renigi Foldable Solar Power Kit. Another excellent starter kit suitable for powering your small RV is the Renigi Foldable Solar Power Kit. It comes equipped with a 100-watt folding solar panel, a Savannah CC charger controller, a Savannah IV 400-watt inverter, and 25 feet of connecting cable. Unfortunately, you will need to purchase mounting hardware and a 12-volt battery separately, which adds an extra cost. This is also a good option if you're looking to independently charge or power a few items on a larger RV, like electronic devices, small appliances, tools, or using it as a backup power source in the event of unplanned or long-term power outages. You can purchase and link additional solar panels together to provide quicker battery top-up and replenishment. The solar panels also come with a hard case that they can fold up into for easy and secure carrying and transportation, making this an excellent portable system. At number 2, we have the WindyNation 100-watt solar panel off-grid RV boat kit. If you're looking to invest in some solar energy tech but don't want to break the bank, WindyNation offers great value. This solar panel kit comes with all the necessities for half the price of the competition without compromising on efficiency. Something that really sets this solar panel kit apart is the different types of mounting hardware that it includes. This makes installation to the roof of your RV easier and makes it compatible with any setup. Each panel is 100 watts and depending on your voltage system, available in 12 or 24 volts, you can have up to 4 or 8 panels, respectively. The directions can be hard to follow at times. This is, of course, a subjective issue, but it is possible that if you're new to solar systems that this kit might be challenging to use. Also, certain setups require additional wiring to be purchased. And finally at number 1, we have the Renigi 100 watts 12 volts monocrystalline solar starter kit. Renigi is one of the most well-known companies when it comes to portable solar power, so it should be no surprise that they are our pick for the best solar system for RV. Not only are these panels amazingly efficient, but they're also sold with everything you need if you've never owned solar panels before. These 100-watt monocrystalline solar panels are incredibly lightweight. A lot of solar panel setups can be bulky or require heavy-duty equipment to install. Too much extra weight can negatively affect your driving experience and the suspension of your RV. At less than 20 pounds, the Renigi panels are ideal for campers. Another benefit of this item is how much comes with your purchase. You get mounting brackets, Renigi's most advanced controller, MC4 connectors, 10 Aruban Florence tray cables, and a 20-foot MC4 adapter kit. Plus, Renigi includes a 25-year warranty for the replacement of panels that lose any output over time. It's helpful to know beforehand that Renigi's RV solar kit does not come with a battery. Depending on how and when you're planning on using your solar power, buyers might need to buy a battery separately. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.